Hey y'all, I want to show y'all another beautiful trade that was sent out to my personal trade alert group for the Asian session in Futrix. Simple breakout. We entered the trade right here, and man, that thing just wow, smashed right on through. We just had to wait for a volume to come into the markets, and this is why you don't get greedy either, because a lot of you guys, you want to get greedy. So you see it smash through our 1-to-1. And let me pull this open so you guys can see it. So we entered right here, smashed through our 1-to-1, hit it really good, came close to take profit 2, which target was up here at 211, which was right there at that target right there. So I'm gonna put a mark so you guys can see where the target was. I actually went a little bit above the initial take profit target just to give us a little bit extra bonus. And you can see that it not only smashed it here, but it wicked and almost hit take profit 2. And so man, that was just an easy trade. Let me see if there was anything else on any of the others. Yep, here goes another one that you could have took. We could have took, but I actually missed it. The entry was here, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Okay, and let's see, 6S. Which is another one. So that one here went the other way, so I would not, this would have been an invalid trade because it's still within the parameters. It did not break out of the channel. This one did break out of the channel, entry right here, boom, take profit smashed. And so we did good, you know, another winner. 2 nights in a row, 2 nights in a row. We are smashing, baby. Easy peasy.